All right, we have a box of 2013 Topps Chrome for RJ. He's going to be doing a box of this, and he's got 6 packs of Goodwin Champions. So we'll go through the 6 packs real quick. Let me actually start recording this for you. Oh, we already got it recording. We're good. So here we go. Good luck, RJ. Base. You got a Military Machines and base. Base, and base. Base. Got a mini of Shoeless Joe Jackson. And base. Base, and base. All base. Base, and a mini of Matthew Andries. And base. All right, so there's your good one. Next up, Topps Chrome. 1 box, 2 autographs. Empty. Base, and base. Rookie of Aaron Hicks. Joe Mauer refractor. And base. Base. We have a die cut of Yasiel Puig. Always good. And rookie of Justin Wilson. Base. Rookie of Adam Eaton. And rookie of Jed Gayurko. Base. We have die cut of Buster Posey. And base. Base, and base. All base that pack. Got a rookie of Michael Wacha. Will Myers rookie. Jose Fernandez rookie. And Avisel Garcia rookie. You got all rookies in that pack, so that's good. Base. We got a refractor of Tommy Malone. And base. Base, and base. base, 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 and base. Still looking for 2 autos here. Base, die cut of Matt Kemp, base, and base. Evan Gattis, rookie. Base. And Jonathan Pettibone, rookie. We have Mike Kickham, Bruce Rondon, Christopher Davis, and base. Adam Warren, rookie. We have an insert of Bryce Harper. Base and base. Base, base, black refractor of Nick Franklin. And that is numbered 76 of 100. And base. Man, they're really making us wait for these 2 autos. Base, 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 and base. Base, base, Joey Votto, refractor, and base. Base, base, we have a gold auto of Avisail Garcia. And that is numbered 18 of 50. And Jake Odorizzi, rookie. All right, so you got one more auto in here. Anthony Rendon, rookie. Garrett Cole, base and base. You got a Bundy rookie, Ryan Howard, Curtis Granderson, refractor, and Nolan Arenado, rookie. 3 packs left. Chris Medlin. Oh, there's your auto. Alan Webster. And that is not numbered. And rookie of Kyle Gibson and base. Base, 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 and base. 2 packs left. Base, base, Manny Machado insert. Not numbered. And Harper base. Last pack. Base, 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 and rookie card of Nick Morande. All right, so RJ, that is your box of Topps Chrome. Get everything out to you tomorrow morning. Thank you, everybody. I'm heading out for the night. Got to go watch the Bills beat up on the Browns. So I'll be back tomorrow. If anybody needs anything broken, feel free to email me. Free shipping internationally. Tons of breaks are going to be on that page. Check it out, dacardworld.com/live. For now, guys, I'm out. Thank you.